Hola, hola, привет! Today we are making cream cheese crab rangoons. We're using lobster and crab. Get your mixing bowl. It's your choice. You can dice up the meat or you can shred it with your fingers. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. You can use just the cheese and make it vegetarian. Using garlic for flavor, we're going to finely mince it and then add it to our bowl. Finely mincing green chives and adding those to our bowl. I'm bringing dill weed into the mix for additional flavor. What's a recipe without black pepper and salt? Let's add those to the mix. Here we have soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. That's my additive to the mix and I love it. Here I'm going to use a fork to mix it all up. Be free to use your hands. It'll get done a lot faster if you do, and it'll be made with love. We're going to use wonton wraps. I'm saran wrapping my table. You can also use foil paper. Get a little cup of water so you could dip your finger in. This is so we can seal the wonton wraps. We're going to use a teaspoon for measurement. Watch closely now. We're grabbing a wonton wrap, placing it down in the center, wetting our fingers, and dragging it down the edges. The water will help seal the wonton wrap. Grab your filling and place it in the center. Keep a damp napkin nearby in case you need to wipe down your fingers. Taking one side of the wonton wrap and pinching it closed on the other. Then lift up and pinch all sides down. If the filling gets in between the wrap, it can open up when you're frying, and you don't want that to happen. I like to create assurance by pressing down on both sides, then pressing down in the center, repeating this process until I'm happy and satisfied with the shape that it makes. This guarantees that it's not going to seep through. Be sure to place them flat so that they don't stick together. I would like to sample a few, so let's add some oil to a hot pan. Once the pan and oil are hot, we can add our cream cheese crab rangoons. These cook very fast, so be on high alert. Look how yummy they came out. Grab a ziplock bag. Then you can place them in the freezer. And store the rest for later. Bon appetit. Adios. Paka paka. Subscribe.